Okay, so it's proved that if all letters represent unequal positive numbers, right, they're unequal positive numbers. Well, I got two numbers there. I got A and B, and they're unequal positive numbers. So all I can say is that, A doesn't equal B, and A and B are both greater than 0. They're positive, all right? So I would just simply take the line that they've given me. They've given me this, and I'd work with it. And how would I do that? Well, I think the one thing I would do is I'd try to get a 0 in the problem. And by doing that, what I would do is I'd multiply this out, and this would give me 2a squared b plus 2ab squared. And then I would subtract that from both sides. And if you did that, what would you get? Well, you get a cubed, and then I'm going to take 2a squared b from both sides. That would give me minus a squared b. I would take 2ab squared from both sides. That would give me minus ab squared. And I would get b cubed there. So, that seems pretty reasonable to me that you get to the second line. Right, this is the second line now. Here comes the tough part. And the tough part is to basically factor the problem. And there's a couple of ways you could do it. I'm just kind of looking at it. I want to put on the side for you. And I'm looking at a cubed minus a squared b. And I'm looking at minus a b squared plus b cubed. I want to factor it. And I would try grouping first. And what do you get over here? I'd say a squared. Then you get a minus b. Over here, I'd factor out, well, I guess I'd factor out a b squared. So what would you left off with? A minus b. So lo and behold, I get a minus b, and then I get a squared minus b squared. All right? So let me point out where that is. It's right over here now. All right? Whoops. I didn't, you know what? I didn't finish it out. I should finish it out. This is a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. Sorry about that. So you do get a minus b squared, a plus b. All right, so I'm on the last line. I'm on the last line. All right? Let me point this out to you. Now, before I proceed forward, I'm going to do sign analysis. What do I know? I know A does not equal B, and I know A and B are greater than 0. So the big question, if A is not equal to B, this here is always positive. And that's given by that condition over there. Again, if A is not equal to B, A minus B isn't 0. Regardless of what that number is, when you square it, it's positive. Now, what do you get over here? You get the sum of two positive numbers. This is also positive. So what do I know? It's never equal to 0, and it's always going to be positive. That means it's greater than 0. So basically, it's very simple analysis. Thank you.